I'm one of the founders of Home Repair Lab. We offer classes in home maintenance and home improvement. Our school is located in Durham, North Carolina, and we focus on teaching adults. Most of them are homeowners, but some of them are renters too.
Welcome to Home Repair Lab. If you're anything like me, you found yourself in a position where you've had to hire a service provider to come in and do work on your home, and that person has either talked over your head, made you feel stupid for asking any questions, or even worse, you've gotten to the end of the project and thought, I could have probably done that faster, cheaper, and better all by myself if I just knew how.
All right, well, if that's the case, then you need our Maintenance Ready program. In our Maintenance Ready program, you'll learn to communicate effectively. You'll grow your skills and become more handy. You'll develop the confidence to maintain and improve your own home, but most importantly, you'll recognize or you'll learn when you should call for help.
We have a simple 3-step program that we call the Maintenance Ready program. This is designed to get you from where you are today to being able to do projects and repairs around your home on your own. The first step in our Maintenance Ready program is about gaining knowledge. You need to understand the components and systems that make up your home. We have 2 classes in this series, and that is starting with our Home Fundamentals class. Our first lecture style class is about looking behind the walls without having to do any demolition. You're going to learn to identify the components and parts that make up the 3 major comfort systems in your home: the structural system, the plumbing system, and the electrical system. You're going to learn the vocabulary and how those systems work together so that you have a better understanding of your home.
Now, step 2, right? These is 3 specific classes. The first class is tool skills. Now, in tool skills, you will start to begin to learn the tools you're going to need in order to maintain your home throughout the year, all right? And in addition to that, we will help you learn how to build your own tool library, balancing sort of functionality with budget. The next class is saw skills, right? In saw skills, you will learn how to measure consistently. You will learn how to cut accurately, and you will learn how to safely use power saws. The last class in growing your skills is Build-A-Box, right? Now, in Build-A-Box, we're taking your skills from your previous 2 classes, tool skills and saw skills, and we're putting them together into one class, right? We're forcing you to build a box. Why are we making you build this box? Because every single piece of storage in your home is essentially a box, right? Now, what we're going to do to help you out is we're going to give you a cut list, a plan sheet, right? So that you can start this project from beginning to end, right? Know how to put it together, but more importantly, begin to understand how to make modifications so that you can create custom storage for your home, right? Now we're on to step 3, and there are 4 classes in step 3. These are just doing basic repairs, all right? So in the electrical basics class, we're going to talk a little bit about how a circuit works and some bright lines when you should call an electrician. But most importantly, we're going to do 3 key repairs. The first repair is going to be replacing a switch. The second repair is going to be replacing a receptacle. And then the last one is going to be replacing a light fixture, all right? Now, the next class is drywall basics, right? We're going to talk a little bit about materials and offer you some of our best tips and techniques for working with the materials and specific tools. But most importantly, you're going to do 3 repairs. You're going to fix a hole. We're going to show you how to fix a small hole and make that to a large hole. Then you're going to fix a dent. And then lastly, you're going to fix a nail pot, right? Now, the next class is going to be sink basics. In sink basics, you will completely disassemble your sink and reassemble your sink. We will have a kitchen and a bath sink for you to work with. The last class is toilet basics. Now, in toilet basics, it's going to be similar to sink basics. You will completely disassemble and then reassemble the toilet. The main reason why we do that is we want you to touch all the parts so that you can be familiar with it, right? And if you're worried about having to remember a lot of the details, right, we will offer a card for you so that you don't have to remember all the parts that you've touched in that particular class, all right? So that is our program, right? Once you finish that program, you'll have the knowledge to communicate effectively. You have the skills to tackle all kinds of projects. You'll be able to maintain and improve your home. But most importantly, you'll have more freedom, right? the choice to be able to know which projects you prefer and which projects you don't prefer, and who you want to hire as a professional to get things done and what you would prefer to do for yourself. All right. And then the ability to select a qualified professional. You now be able to speak their language and hopefully get someone in your home that you would like to have in your home. Right. So if this sounds like something you're interested, we would invite you to take just our first class, Home Fundamentals. All right. There's no risk. It's only 90 minutes. If for any reason you don't like the class, we're happy to give you a full refund. All right. So sign up today.